Hello guys, review tablet Teclast T40 Pro. This version 128GB Intel memory, LTE version 10.4-inch display. On this side, power cable and keys, Type-C port, upside slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, speakers, downside second speakers, and on this side without controls. Okay, and device without headphones jack. Okay, turn on device. We have Full HD display, Full HD Plus IPS display, Android 11, and run demanding game guitar, demanding synthetical test, Android 11, CPU Unisoc Tiger T618, and GPU Mali G52. Okay, look results, single core and multi-core test, GPU test results, close this, look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark, okay, close this, and run Guitar Sunrise. Guitar Sunrise works good, without lags and glitches, on the medium graphic level. Okay, close this, and that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.